Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, we are going to be taking just a little break from my regularly scheduled Halloween content for still a bit of Halloween content, but something super de-duper exciting. I'm going to be unboxing a limited edition Halloween themed Disney box from mickeyloot, and this is what the box looks like. I am super stinking excited. So if you guys would like to know what comes in this limited edition Halloween box, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so jumping into the video, before we get into the actual unboxing, I do just want to give you a little bit of information regarding mickeyloot itself. So mickeyloot is a monthly Disney subscription service, and they also offer limited edition theme boxes like the one I'm going to be talking about today. In regards to the subscription service, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail just because I am not actually going to join the monthly subscription service, and that is just because I am not an individual that likes to collect Disney merch on that level where I need to get merch every month, nor do I want to pay for merch every month. So I'm not going to talk about the subscription service, but if you are someone who loves to collect Disney merch, if you love the ears, the figurines, the plushies, the pins, etc., etc., I highly recommend that you check this subscription service out because I did watch a couple unboxings and the items look insanely cool, very high quality, and a really neat thing regarding mickeyloot is when you do the monthly subscription service, you actually get the opportunity to receive merch from Disney parks around the world. So it's not just Disneyland or Disney World, but it's also Disneyland Paris, Shanghai Disney, etc., etc., and I think that is such a fun twist on a Disney subscription service that at least I have seen. So I would definitely recommend looking into it. Definitely watch some reviews, watch some unboxings, and see if it's something you feel like you want to spend your money on. But if you are someone like me who loves Disney and you don't mind Disney merch, you just don't need that much Disney merch, then you can check out their limited edition themed boxes like this one I'm going to be showing you today. Now, these do range in price based on whatever it is they're going to put in the box. And I know they have a ton of different themed ones. Like I said, this one's Halloween themed. They had a Haunted Mansion one, a Disney Villains box, and I think currently they have a Winnie the Pooh as well as a Nightmare Before Christmas box. So I think that's really fun because in the monthly subscription service, you're going to get a range of items. It can be Star Wars, princesses, etc., etc., and these ones are going to have a specific theme to them. So I definitely think that can be appealing to more people if you don't want to just get random stuff. So if you are a huge Winnie the Pooh fan, you can get a box with only Winnie the Pooh items, which I think is really neat. So like I mentioned, the theme boxes do have a wide price range just based on the kind of merch they're going to put in it. But on the website, they do say that however much you pay for your box is however much the retail value of the merch on the inside should be. So for example, the box that I have today, the Halloween themed Disney box, was $75, and therefore I should have $75 worth of Disney merch in here, which I am definitely going to be checking. You guys know how I am. I want to know if I'm getting $75 in here, and I really hope that it's some good stuff and some stuff that I actually am going to want. So that is going to be interesting to see. And I know you guys are thinking, Alyssa, $75, and I know you guys, I thought the same thing at first, but you do have to keep in mind that Disney merch is quite expensive, and so you're going to be paying for what you're getting. But the good thing is they actually don't charge tax on their boxes, and shipping within the United States is free. So that's really, really great. So it's a flat fee for each box. But on an even more positive note, I do have a coupon code from a fellow YouTuber that you can use to save yourself some coin. So her name is Shanice over at Shanice Reviews, and I will be linking her channel down below. Definitely go check her out. Subscribe if you haven't already. She reviews tons of products, not just Disney stuff, but things from foods, drinks, other subscription service. So I really do enjoy her channel. And like I said, she does have a coupon code, so you can use Shanice10 for $10 off your first order at mickeyloot. So I highly, highly, highly suggest that if you are going to make a purchase on this website that you use her coupon code, because not only are you saving some coin, but you are helping out a fellow content creator, and so it's a win-win for everyone, which I love. So thank you, Shanice, for introducing me to this box and for having a coupon code that saved you girls some money, because we love that here. The last thing I do want to mention that I think is rather important, because it's something that I didn't realize until after I had done all of this, is that the shipping, while it is free, the limited edition boxes ship more like pre-ordered items. So on their website, they don't really mention this. They only say that the boxes ship within 7 to 10 days, but they are only referring to the monthly subscription services. These theme boxes take a little bit longer to curate, and then they kind of ship them out in groups. So they ship like all of one theme together, all of another theme together. So I ordered this box on September 9th, and it didn't ship out until the 29th, which based on their website had me, I'm not gonna lie, really upset at first, because I was like, why haven't I heard anything about my box? You've already taken my money. Your website says 7 to 10 days. I did reach out to customer service, and I will say I had a very pleasant experience with them. They were very prompt, and they were very kind, and they let me know, you know, we take a little bit longer to get these together because all the items are hand picked. And even though these are limited edition, like for example, this Halloween box, only 50 boxes were made, but all 50 boxes are not the same. So they really try and do make them a little bit different, but they do have to go in, hand pick out everything, make all the boxes, and then ship them. So if you keep in mind that you're buying these more like a pre-order, it's not gonna upset you, but I think they could better verbalize this on the website and have more of an estimated shipping date under each individual theme box. I think that would serve them better, because I'm not going to lie, when 2 weeks hit and I didn't hear anything about my box shipping and they had taken my money, I was kind of hot. So do keep that in mind. I think it's good if you know it, but it is not good if you don't, if you get what I'm saying. So now that I have babbled on way too long, because I just like to give you as much information as I possibly can, we are gonna get into this box. I am super duper excited. This is what it looks like. I love that. I'm pretty sure they're all gonna be a little different, that this one is themed how it's orange and black, super cute, and it has little bats all around the rest of the box. It even has a little Mickey bat. Can you see him? Is that not the cutest thing you have literally ever seen? So again, just more bats. And then back at the front. But I am definitely thinking that I should get a little bit of help with this unboxing, so just one second. Okay guys, I had to bring my Disney buddy in here to help me unbox this Disney box. So if you guys have never been here, never met him, this is my dad. His name is Troy, and he is my #1 Disney pal. We are actually wearing matching Disney sweatshirts, as you can see, which, by the way, I did get at Walmart for $10. I will link them down below, so if you want to match with us too, you totally can. They're really comfy and really awesome. But we're gonna get into this. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
What do you think could possibly be in here that is Halloween Disney merch?
Oh, it's hard to tell, but anything in there is gonna be good.
It's gonna be good?
It's gonna be good.
So the big thing that we're gonna really be focusing on while we open this is obviously what comes in the box, if we think it is worth it for you to purchase on your own, and if we would purchase another one in the future, and then as well as, does it actually have $75 worth of Disney merch in here, because it's supposed to. So that's gonna be the things we kind of judge on here. So let's get into it. I did just finally break the seal, so we're gonna open it up. Oh, I'm very excited. Oh, did you notice all the bats on the box?
I did.
Did you notice that there was a Mickey bat? Look.
Oh,
there's one singular Mickey bat.
Mickey.
I know. Okay, so when you open this, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like real quick. It's got some yellow tissue paper, and it looks like we got some cards in here. And I'm sorry if the way that I'm showing you is kind of funny. We don't have a lot of information.
There's the hidden Mickey.
Hidden Mickey. And it does say, Alyssa, thank you so much for being a part of the Mickey Loot family. Have a happy Halloween, Mickey Loot. I love when anything is personalized. When I'm spending that kind of money, I want to feel special and important. And then this thing says caution spoiler. So I think this is probably going to tell me what is in here. So I'm not going to open it just yet, because I would like the element of surprise. And there's a little, let's see, Mickey Loot sticker in there, holding everything together. So we're gonna get into this. I'm nervous. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Do you think it's heavy? So there is some like padding with like sprinkles in it, which is very fun and very cute. I'm gonna throw it on the floor. Ooh, and things are wrapped up. Ooh, okay. All right, do you want to grab something and open it?
Okay, we'll start with this one right here.
So this is something that's wrapped in yellow tissue paper. So let's see what it is.
Anticipation is great.
It feels like, it looks like a sipper.
It is a sipper, yeah.
What does it say?
It says Happy Halloween.
Okay, all right, let's show them up close. So it is just a Halloween sipper. So this looks like something that you get when you check into a Disneyland like resort hotel. These are the cups that you can buy to get free refills on. We get them when we go because it's free with your purchase.
That's exactly what it is.
I do not lie, we do not keep them. We typically toss them. So if I'm being honest right off the bat, it's something that I could have done without because I don't really drink out of them. But it is a specific Halloween themed sipper, which I think is fun because they're all kind of dressed up. They're trick-or-treating. And it has the Fab 5 on there. So that's really fun and really cute. So, ooh, I see the next thing and I'm going to go ahead and pull this one out. It's a throw blanket. I'm never mad at a throw blanket. And it is Stitch. That is the cutest little thing I have ever seen. He is dressed like a little vampire with a little pumpkin. That's not what he is in his meet and greet. No, he's Elvis in his meet and greet. Yes. But this is the cutest little thing. It actually feels quite really nice. Like I said, I'm someone that believes you can really never have too many blankets, and I like that it's stitched. I think that's super cute. I'm not unhappy with this.
No, I think we'll use that.
Okay, how many more things? And it looks like there's actually just one more item in here. Do you want to be the one that opens it?
That'll be fine.
Yeah.
Thanks,
all right, so let me get this box out of the way.
Okay.
Okay. So there was only 3 items in this box for, again, $75. Oh, it looks like a figurine or something.
Disney Showcase Collections. So let's see.
You want me to get the bottom?
Right here it is, right here. Oh, this is pretty good.
Cool.
Yeah.
So I'll put in a close-up footage of her and everything else that we got because my camera is refusing to focus with so much going on in the background. But she is an Evil Queen figurine. She's holding a little jack-o'-lantern. That's pretty interesting. I did not expect to get a figurine in this box, so I think that's pretty stinking cool. And I wonder if this spoiler package tells me how much they retail for. Ah, it does. So the plush throw was $24.90. This right here is $50. Whew, Lord. And the resort tumbler is the $18.99, which I figured for a total retail value of $93.89. I do appreciate that retail value because it was supposed to be a minimum of $75. I was expecting literally $75 worth of product and it was almost $94. So I think that's super, super cool. What do you think of the value? I paid it's $75. I paid $65. What do you think?
Well, I think the blanket's nice, and I definitely like the figurine. I wouldn't have bought that one either, but it's nice to have it. I think it's pretty good quality. And I looked at it. It's actually called the Poison Pumpkin on this one.
Very cool.
Now, like you said, we've had these every time we went because we just pick them up because they give them to us, and we do use them kind of while we're at the resort, but we generally don't mess with them when we get home. But again, that's probably one we could do without, but it's not, I don't hate it. It's pretty neat. It's something different.
I think if you're someone that likes to collect the sippers, then that's nice that they throw it in there. But for us, you know, we have normal coffee cups. We drink out of regular water bottles. They're just not very functional for us. If you have small children, I think that's great. Little kids love fun themed cups, but as adults, that's just not really our thing. Do you think it would be worth it to try another one of these in the future?
I think so. I was kind of excited about it. Even if you do away with the cup, you're still talking about $75 for these too, because I think this is $50 and that's about $25. So you got your money's worth, even though if you didn't use that. And it'd be nice, like instead of something that's roughly around 20 bucks, maybe a pin or something like that.
Yeah, I would have liked to receive a pin. I do like that thought process instead of the cup. If I would have just gotten a pin, because I think pins are a little bit more fun than the cup in itself. But with that being said, I don't think it's a terrible value. It was fun to open. Like I said, we love Disney stuff. We don't have a lot of Disney merch just because that's not what we choose to spend our money on. We're spending money on the vacation. We don't really need like the things.
Speaking of which.
Oh yeah, speaking of which, we are actually doing a small mini trip for my birthday that actually happened very quick and out of the blue, and I will explain more because I will be vlogging that, so do keep an eye out on it. But it's literally 10 days from now, and we're gonna do a quick like 4-day trip down there, so it's gonna be 2 days in the park. We are very excited. Keep an eye out for the vlog and let us know how excited you are to see that. But I would definitely probably recommend this. I want to get back to what we're talking about and try and close this video up for you guys. I would recommend definitely the theme boxes over the subscription service, especially if you are someone like me who does not like to receive Disney merch on a monthly basis unless you really want to collect stuff like this every month. I don't, but that could be your personal thing. And with these boxes, I definitely think that you're going to get your money's worth. I do really think that's cool. I wouldn't buy one all the time. I think that maybe if they do something for Christmas, because we love Christmas, maybe I'll look into that. If you guys want me to order a Christmas themed box, let me know down below, and you want to see me unbox it, I'd be happy to do that. And yeah, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and every now and then you get a little bonus video. So you definitely want to make sure that you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. Do not forget, you can also come follow me on Instagram at Alyssa and Pope, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!